Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Ring battery in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply start by identifying your Ring model. Most of the battery powered models such as the battery doorbell plus, battery doorbell pro, video doorbell 2, 3, 3 plus and 4 use a removable quick release battery pack which can look something like this or something like this. So some of the newer models use a built-in battery that charges while installed. So what you need to do is you need to simply locate the small security screw on the bottom of the doorbell and use the ring screwdriver that come with your device in order to remove the screw. So after doing this, for the models with the removable battery, simply lift the faceplate from the bottom and then you just have to simply pull away from the doorbell. Then you can press the battery release tab and slide the battery pack out. So if the model has a built-in battery, simply connect a charging cable directly to the charging port instead. Now you need to simply connect the battery pack to a USB charging cable, and then you just have to simply wait until the indicator light shows full charge. If you are using a spare battery pack, simply insert the fully charged replaced batteries into the doorbell until it clicks into the place. Now reattach the faceplate, reinstall the security screw and wait for the doorbell to power on. After doing so, you can just simply open the Ring application and you can check for your device health section in order to confirm that the battery level is updating correctly and the device is also back online. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.